Hey, Soros. Hey, how y'all doing? It's Delta Box review time. I know I'm a little late with this one. I had recorded a video earlier that was very befitting for this month's box, but I don't know what happened. It got deleted from my draft somehow, so that's why this is really late. But hey, better late than never. So if you want to hear my opinion and review on the July Delta box, then stay tuned and I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye.
Check it out.
Hey Saras, hey, how are y'all doing? Is everybody excited and ready for Indie next week? I know I am. So I got my July Delta box at the beginning of the month and I did record a video. I had my little bathing suit on because I got it the day that one of the Saras and her husband, who's a bruh, they were having their annual pool party for the 4th of July. I was like, yes. I was dressed, had my bathing suit on, did my review, and I was like, oh, let me save my video and my drafts. I'll edit it and post it later. And totally forgot about it, and then went back to actually edit and put it together, and it was gone. I don't know what happened to it. But anyway, so better late than never. They went back to the red box for this month. This month's theme is sunrise, sunshine, and summertime. What's in the box for this month? It is a Delta Sigma Theta pool floaty, a microfiber beach towel, a Raffia Tote, and a Raffia Straw Hat. So the items in this month's box are very much appropriate for this heat wave that is currently engulfing our country. I know out here in West Texas where I am, we're in triple digit weather. It's been 100 to like 115 every day. So yeah, this month's box items are gonna come in handy. So let's get into it, shall we? The first item is the Raffia hat, the straw hat. It has Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated on it in script. It's an open hat. It's a Velcro closure, so you can either wear it with the name showing, or you can flip it inside out and wear it without Delta Sigma Theta showing. I like it. I wore it to the pool party. I had a different ponytail, but it works well, which I thought it was cute for me with the ponytail. So you can wear it low like this if you're trying to be a little incognito. This works very well. It's very cute. Blocks the sun. Like I said, I'm here in West Texas, so the sun is like this on us, and it's like 110. So you definitely need some sunscreen and a hat when you go outside. So this is very cute. You can also adjust it and wear it up a little bit. And again, you can flip it over so Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated is not showing in case you're at a event and they're having alcoholic beverages. You already know. So I like the straw hat. It's really cute. And again, you can flip it and reverse it. In case you're somewhere where you're on the beach in the Bahamas and you want a nice little cocktail, you can wear this without the name showing. Very cute. I could adjust it. I could bring my ponytail over the top, which I did at the pool party, and then later in the evening I flipped it and I wore it like this. So the hat is really cute. I really like it. The next item is the matching tote bag, the Raffia tote bag. It is a very big tote bag. It does have a zipper enclosure, so it zips up. Very roomy, very spacious. I did use this at the pool party. I had the towel in here. I had my Black girl sunscreen, my sunglasses, my phones, you know, lipstick, just little essentials that you would need for like the beach or at the pool. So it came in very, very handy. The only thing I do not like about this bag is that it does. They could have put the symbols on here or put Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated in script like they did on the hat, so it would match the hat. But besides that, it's a cute little tote bag. I like it. All right, so the next item, of course, is the pool floaty. I did not open my pool floaty because it is huge. If you look on Facebook, it is huge. I'll put a picture right here so y'all can see the pool floaty. I'll put it right there. Yeah, so the pool floaty is huge. It has the symbols on it in red, white, and black, and also has a cup holder. A lot of the sorors had their pool floaties at the pool party. And yeah, it's huge. It's perfect for the pool. You'll enjoy it. Now the last thing is this towel. I don't like the towel. I don't like this microfiber material. It's real patchy. But it has these. This is the towel. It has the symbols in red, white, and black. But again, this is very patchy. I got places on the towel where the black is like missing. I got parts of my towel where it's just like stretched out and like the microfiber is, you can see white through it. This is a very thin towel. I took it to the pool party, didn't use it at the pool party. But you know, sorors, we were sitting around looking at this towel, comparing it. We were like, this is, what's wrong with it? It's all patchy. You got places where, you know, the microfibers are missing, like right here on mine in the middle of my theta. Part of it is missing. So, yeah, I don't really like the towel. They could have made it out of better material, one that isn't stretchy and patchy and just, yeah, it's ugly. Yeah, like at the bottom of my towel. I don't know if you can see it. Just like real stretch. If you stretch it, that's it. You know. My overall thoughts on the box. It's weather appropriate this time. It's much better than last month with a mock turtleneck short set in khaki. That's just all the way wrong. But we're not gonna digress and talk about last month and how horrible it was, because it was horrible. And we're in the middle of a heat wave. Who wants to wear a turtleneck short set in khaki in the middle of a heat wave during the summer? But anyway, this bunce box was more appropriate. They tried to redeem themselves. It's okay. I like the bag. The bag is big and spacious. I wish they had to put some symbols on it or something like that instead of just leaving it plain. The hat is really, really cute. I like the hat. You could do a lot with the hat. Now, instead of this raggedy towel, they should have gave us like a Delta swimsuit. Now, that would have been fire. They had given us a swimsuit instead of this cheap towel. But anyway, sorors, that's my thoughts and my personal opinions on the Delta box for the month of July. I am not an ambassador. I am just a member of our illustrious sorority, giving my personal thoughts and opinions on the Delta box. I hope to see y'all in Indy next week. If you see me, stop me, say, hey, Soror Joy, how you doing? How you doing? I'm looking forward to the step show. This is my first in-person convention. I've done the virtual for the past two, and so this is my first one going to be in person. I'm looking forward to seeing all my friends from college, friends from back home, people that I've met through social media. I'm just really, really excited. I'm excited to be working with the chaplaincy in the prayer room. So if you, I don't know when I'm going to be working in the prayer room because I got a different schedule, but yeah, I'm just excited to be involved with the chaplaincy and doing different things with ministry in Delta. Because some may know and some may not know, I am a licensed evangelist. And so I take my calling in ministry very, very seriously. And so just to have an opportunity to worship God while being with my sorrows is just an awesome opportunity. I'm looking forward to the services and ecumenical service and just everything, just being with the sorrows. So I'm really, really excited. So sorrows, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. My name is Joy. Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. My Delta box review is just one of many reviews that I do on my channel. I also do makeup reviews on makeup subscription boxes. Basically the Ipsy Glam Bag and BoxyCharm box. I do reviews on those. I do reviews on makeup products. I need to get back doing more and doing my makeup videos. If you're looking for inspirational content to help you get through, if you're going through a tough time or you just want to learn and grow more while you're in your walk with Christ, then check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations. You'll get all your inspirational content there. I also have a lot of health related content. Last year I had a heart attack, and so going through cardiac rehab and all those things. I have some content related to that. I'm also on Manjaro, so I have some content related to that. I'll be adding more to that as well. And you know, life is just life, and I'm just I'm facing some things right now. So if you know the power of prayer and you believe in the power of prayer, then please keep me in your prayers. I really, really would appreciate it. Again, sorrows, let me know what you think about the box. Look forward to meeting everybody in Indy and seeing everybody in Indy. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later, sorrows. Bye.